Alright, Lego Fanatics, we've got some parts here, so I'm going to grab one of these and two of these. Yes. I'm going to go this here and this one here. And then that one will go right like there. Okay. I'm going to take same thing, two of these, and put them in like that. And put them in like this. This is going to go on this end. Like that. There you go. Just like that. Okay. So I'm going to do it again. 1, 2. Like that. And then put the that, and then two of these like that, and one of these, put this together like this. Okay, that's those two. And then I'm going to put two of these. I'm going to do this a couple of times. I'm going to put these like this. Like this. Like this. Just going to keep putting these together because I'm going to need them for later. Okay, and then I am going to take two of these. So I need one going this way, one facing like that. No, like that. There we go. And then I need one of these and one of these. And this will go like that. Then I need to do the other side, and I need to go like this, alright? And then one of these here, like this, and one of these here, like that, and that's the other side, and voila. So I need to do that. One's like this. Okay, so let's do this, because this will be easier. I'll do one more of these. One of these. And this is going to go like that. And then the other one's going to be like this. Big one like that, and then a small one next to it like that. And then you're just going to keep, boom. And then I have two more, so I have to, okay, so this like this. And then this one like this. Okay. Alright, and then I've got this one like this. This one like this, and yep. Bingo. Oop, no. That's not right. Wait. Here we go. I can make it work. Alright, and then I need... I seem to be missing one. Okay, so now I've got it like this. So the big ones are to the front, and the small ones are to the back. Wait. Put this one here, like that, and I'm missing a 1x3. So, I seem to have misplaced it, or it's on the table somewhere. Let me take a look quickly. Nope, I seem to be missing one of these. So I'm going to stop the video and I'll keep going in the next video. And like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.